Lightweight drones demand reliable propulsion for professional missions. To deliver precise and stable power for 600mm to 700mm wheelbase aircraft, SIYI releases the E3 propulsion system. It puts out 1 kilogram of thrust per motor at an industry-leading 9.5 grams per watt efficiency. This comes from its smart modular design and deeply integrated motor, ESC, and propeller combo fully tuned and ready to fly straight out of the box. The motor employs 200 degrees high-temperature enameled wire, precision wound with single-strand copper to ensure optimal slot fill. 0.2mm silicon steel laminations reduce core losses and operating temperature, featuring high-quality NMD bearings and an aerospace-grade aluminum housing. The stator mount is CNC machined to tight tolerances for minimal vibration and extended service life. An integrated centrifugal cooling system allows sustained operation in extreme environments and continuous operation. High-temp resistant curved magnets meet superior thermal design safeguarding your professional missions. But hardware is only half the story. The E3 employs FOC vector control for smoother rotation compared to traditional BLDC drives. With millisecond-level response, it offers instant attitude correction, providing exceptional wind resistance. Superior throttle linearity provides exceptionally smooth and nuanced handling for exact command over every flight maneuver. Safety is the baseline of flight, and the E3's ultimate advantage. E3 features dual PWM and redundancy, capable of seamlessly switching to a backup throttle if the primary signal fails. The built-in data black box records all flight data, ensuring that troubleshooting and every parameter traceable. The E3 propulsion system provides a full-cycle intelligent safety protection system from machine launching to operation. It supports fully customizable human-machine interaction prompts. Any anomaly can be easily identified. Equipped with 15.5-inch carbon plastic composite folding propellers, the system achieves a perfect balance of aerodynamics and durability. It's IPX5 water-resistant and has passed rigorous testing, including extreme temperatures from -30 to 60 degrees Celsius, over 1,000 hours of endurance testing, and 48 hours of salt spray testing. E3 propulsion system integrates SIYI ecosystem and is compatible with open-source ecosystems of flight controller and drone protocol. E3 delivers high-performance propulsion solutions for drones with 600 to 700mm wheelbases, engineered for micro-flagship industrial drones and aerial imaging drones to perform power line inspection, night monitoring, traffic inspection, bridge inspection, and aerial cinematography, which is designed to meet the precision demands of professional missions and the smoothness required for premium aerial filming. E3 propulsion system. Precision-engineered reliability.